Buying a Lamborghini is one thing, but actually owning one for a whole year? That's a different game entirely. Today, let's break down the real yearly costs of running a Lamborghini. From insurance, to maintenance, to fuel, and even the hidden costs most owners never talk about. First up, insurance. For a car like this, you're not paying regular numbers. Most owners spend between $8,000 and $20,000 a year, and that's if you've got a clean driving record. Then comes maintenance. Routine services like oil changes, fluids, and minor repairs will set you back about $2,000 to $6,000 per year. And if your car has exotic upgrades like carbon ceramic brakes, well, expect that bill to climb fast. Next, tires. These cars chew through tires like candy. A fresh set costs anywhere from $1,500 to $4,000. And if you're hitting the track, yeah, you'll probably need them even sooner. Now, let's talk fuel. A Lamborghini on premium gas isn't exactly fuel efficient. Drive it casually, and you'll spend about $3,000 to $6,000 a year just filling the tank. But here's the hidden killer: depreciation. In just 12 months, your Lambo can lose anywhere from $15,000 to $40,000 in value. That's money you'll never get back. And then there are the extras: registration fees, detailing, luxury taxes, even paint protection. Those can easily add another $1,000 to $7,000 to your yearly bill. So when you add it all up, the first year of Lamborghini ownership can cost you anywhere from $30,000 to $75,000 or more. And remember, that's before you even consider financing. So yeah, the dream is real, but the price tag, it goes way beyond the showroom. For some people, it's worth every penny. For others, it's just a financial black hole. Tell me this, what's your dream car? Drop it in the comments and I'll break down the real costs in a future video.